बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जिंदगी बदल देने वाली रूहानी दस्तक।
Namaz. Namaz, also known as Salah or Islamic prayer, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and holds great significance in the lives of Muslims. It is a prescribed form of worship and communication with Allah, God, that Muslims perform regularly throughout the day. Namaz serves as a means to strengthen one's faith, seek guidance, and express gratitude and submission to the Creator. The practice of namaz is based on the teachings of the Islamic prophet Muhammad, as revealed in the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran, and through his traditions and sayings, Hadith. The 5 daily prayers are obligatory for adult Muslims who are mentally and physically capable. The 5 daily prayers are as follows. Fajr, the pre-dawn prayer, performed before sunrise. Dhuhr, the midday prayer, performed after the sun has passed its zenith. Asr, the afternoon prayer, performed in the late afternoon. Maghrib, the evening prayer, performed just after sunset. Isha, the night prayer, performed after the twilight has disappeared. Each prayer consists of a specific number of units, called rakas, and includes various recitations, supplications, and physical movements, such as standing, bowing, and prostrating. The act of performing namaz helps Muslims to maintain spiritual discipline, mindfulness, and a sense of unity within the Muslim community worldwide. It is also a way for Muslims to seek forgiveness for their sins and seek guidance and blessings from Allah. Overall, namaz is a fundamental aspect of the Islamic faith, promoting devotion, self-discipline, and a deeper connection with the divine. Namaz, also known as Salah or Islamic prayer, holds significant spiritual and psychological benefits for Muslims. The practice of praying namaz is considered one of the 5 pillars of Islam and plays a crucial role in the daily life of a devout Muslim. Here are some of the benefits associated with performing namaz. Spiritual connection with Allah. Namaz is a means of establishing a direct connection and communication with Allah, God. It allows Muslims to express their devotion, gratitude, and seek guidance through the act of prayer. Discipline and routine. Performing namaz 5 times a day fosters discipline and structure in a Muslim's life. This regularity helps to maintain focus and a sense of purpose throughout the day. Inner peace and tranquility. Engaging in namaz provides a moment of peace and tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. The repetitive physical movements and recitation of Quranic verses can bring about a sense of calm and spiritual well-being. Mental focus and mindfulness. During namaz, Muslims are encouraged to concentrate solely on their prayers, thus promoting mindfulness and being present in the moment. Self-awareness and humility. The physical postures of namaz, such as bowing and prostrating, remind Muslims of their humility before Allah and the importance of gratitude and submission. Community and unity. When Muslims pray in congregation, it fosters a sense of community and unity among the worshippers, breaking down barriers of race, nationality, and social status. Physical benefits. The physical movements involved in namaz, like standing, bowing, and prostrating, provide a form of light exercise, promoting better blood circulation and flexibility. Forgiveness and spiritual cleansing. Muslims believe that performing namaz with sincerity leads to the forgiveness of sins and serves as a means of spiritual cleansing. Stress relief. Engaging in regular prayer can help alleviate stress and anxiety, as it provides an opportunity to seek solace and support from Allah. Guidance and wisdom. Muslims often seek guidance and wisdom from Allah during their prayers. They believe that through namaz, they can receive spiritual insights and clarity. It's important to note that the benefits of namaz go beyond this list and can vary for each individual based on their level of devotion, sincerity, and connection with their faith. For Muslims, namaz is not only a religious obligation but also a source of immense spiritual growth and well-being. It's important to note that these disadvantages are viewed from an Islamic perspective. Spiritual consequences. Prayer is considered a direct connection between the believer and Allah, God. Neglecting prayer can lead to a weakened spiritual bond and a sense of distance from one's faith. Regular prayer is believed to purify the soul and increase God consciousness, taqwa. Lack of guidance. Prayer is seen as a source of guidance and a means to seek divine wisdom and assistance in daily life. Neglecting prayer might lead to a sense of disconnection and a lack of guidance in making important decisions. Increased negativity. Regular prayer is believed to provide inner peace and tranquility. The absence of prayer may result in increased stress, anxiety, and a feeling of being overwhelmed by life's challenges. Weakening of faith. Consistent neglect of prayer may lead to a gradual weakening of one's faith, iman. Praying regularly reinforces faith and strengthens one's belief in Islam. Sinful behavior. Neglecting prayers can lead to a person becoming more susceptible to sinful behavior and temptations. Regular prayer is seen as a safeguard against wrongdoing and immoral actions. Loss of blessings. Muslims believe that performing their daily prayers invites blessings from Allah. The absence of prayer might mean missing out on these blessings and the potential rewards in this life and the afterlife. Strain on community ties. In Islamic communities, prayer often serves as a unifying factor and a shared spiritual activity. Neglecting prayer may create a sense of disconnect from the community and lead to strained relationships. Difficulty in repentance. Regular prayer is considered a means of seeking forgiveness from Allah. Neglecting prayer might make a person less inclined to seek repentance for their sins. Neglecting life's purpose. Muslims believe that they were created to worship and serve Allah. Prayer is a fundamental part of this worship. Neglecting it may lead to a sense of purposelessness and spiritual emptiness. Accountability in the afterlife. In Islamic theology, believers are accountable for their deeds and actions in the afterlife. Neglecting prayer might be considered a major sin and could result in punishment in the hereafter. It's essential to remember that Islam encourages compassion, understanding, and non-judgmental attitudes toward others. If someone is struggling to pray regularly, it's important to approach them with empathy and support rather than condemnation. They may be going through personal challenges or difficulties that require understanding and encouragement to improve their spiritual practice.